When you are searching for the perfect accessible bathroom upgrade, a walk-in bathtub could be just what you need for your Huntington Beach home. Not only are Shugarman's Bath's walk-in bathtubs safe for anyone in the home, they come with various features that make them the ideal place to relax. Homeowners who come to Shugarman's Bath for a walk-in tub installation have the ability to add massaging hydrotherapy jets that help soothe the muscles and create a spa-like atmosphere. These 10 water jets are exactly what you need to relax after a long day. Additionally, our walk-in bathtubs can be outfitted with air bubble therapy that consists of 18 air spa jets. Are you searching for a way to bring some ambiance to your bath experience? Consider adding color chromotherapy to your walk-in bathtub in the Orange County area. This feature uses relaxing lighting to improve your mood. We can also include incredible aromatherapy bags that make your bath always smell like you have a gorgeous smelling candle lit without the fire hazard. Interested in adding a walk-in bathtub to your bathroom's layout? Call Shugarman's Bath at 619-332-2220 to get your free quote today.